Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a what's new in my winter wardrobe. I'm gonna be sharing some new finds from J.Crew Factory, H&M, and Aritzia, and a lot of these pieces are on sale right now. So it's perfect timing. So I thought I'd share like new pieces I'm just getting in and trying out for the season, as well as pieces that I am so excited to add into my wardrobe. So everything will be linked below by outfit for you guys, and let's just get right into it. First up, we have this gorgeous sweater, and I also found this knit skirt also from H&M. It comes in so many colors. So let's start off with the sweater, which I think is the star of the entire outfit. It's like a fresh take on a Fair Isle sweater, but added bows in it, and it's so cute. And it comes in 3 colors. The other colors have different print combinations, like there's one that has hearts on it and a few others. So I love this one though. I had to get the bows, and it's so festive and girly for winter. I love this gray as well. I've been leaning more into grays, like cooler neutrals, and I think this is a pretty option. Now I found this knit A-line skirt, which is so stunning. You could pair it with tights as it gets even chillier out. And this has like a ribbed, really stretchy material. I'd say it fits very true to size. Actually, both pieces do. And the sweater is not itchy or scratchy. I just styled it with some tall boots. These are waterproof material. And then I also, for accessories, added these little bow earrings just to go with the bow theme. And if you can't tell, it's all bows around here for the holidays too. Like I decorated my space with all bows like usual, and then I added even some on my chandelier. But anyways, back to this outfit. I really love how it turned out, and it's so cute for wintertime. Of course, it would look so cute with jeans as well. I cannot get over how pretty this next top is. It is off the shoulder, but what I love most about it is this pearl detail on the top border of it. It's so dainty and pretty, and it's really stretchy material. However, it is not stretchy around this border because they have like a grosgrain ribbon here. So it will run true to size. If you have broader shoulders, I would size up one. And it's just such a good classic for Christmas time and the holidays and just even winter in general. I also think this pearl knit top would look so pretty with the sequin skirt too if you want to glam it up some more. I just paired it with some jeans just to keep it a little bit more casual. These are just my current favorite. They're so comfy and they're such a flattering fit, and they fit true to size. And then I just finished off the look with my pearl ballet flats just to tie everything in, and then my very girly charm necklace. There's like over 31 different charms you could choose from, and you could order it online, but I love this necklace so much. How sparkly and fun is this next dress? The camera's just not gonna pick up how sparkly the sequins are, but I love this white shimmer, very iridescent sequin dress. It does come in quite a few other colors. I saw black, I think it was a navy, and a few other options. But this is so pretty. It's a nice silhouette too. It's more like a straight silhouette. The arms kind of flare a little bit, and then it is fully lined, so I don't find this to be like really itchy at all. And it fits true to size. It's a great length too. I'm 5'7", and then I just paired it with my little pearl buckle heels and then my pink bag, and I think it's just so darling. And so many color options to choose from, and this would be like the perfect holiday time special occasion party dress. So fun. Every winter I just love an off the shoulder moment. It's so pretty. This is great for date night. Even a holiday party with a sequin skirt would look cute, or even these jeans. I have on the J.Crew Factory jeans, and then this is this off the shoulders sweater. It's in this beautiful soft rose, and it just folds over. It doesn't slide down or anything, but doesn't feel tight on the shoulders, and it fits true to size. It's a really stretchy material too. And then, like I said, I have on the same jeans, but then I added these sparkly ballet flats, which are a designer look for less, and I think these are so pretty. I love how unique this sweater is because it has this really nice pearl embellished detail at the neckline. It's a chunky pearl attached, and it's so fun and different. And the sweater itself is a really nice fitted silhouette, and then the sleeves have a puff sleeve detail. I'd say it fits very true to size, and I just styled it again with some denim and heels just for like a dressy look. But this would also look so cute again with like a sequin skirt for like holiday party vibes. But I think it's like multi-use, and you could dress it up, dress it down a little bit more, and it's so gorgeous. A little bit daintier with my jewelry. I'm wearing my gold-filled cross necklace. I love this. It's so dainty and pretty too. And then for my bracelet set, I just want to do up close shot. There's these new bracelets that launched, and it also comes in a bow version. I'll link to the page of them. It's all gold fill beads, so it's anti-tarnish, it's waterproof, all the things. So I love that about these, and they're freshwater pearls on the charm too. Okay, this is the coziest outfit. I love how this all turned out. So what really started this outfit were these knit leggings. I have been on the lookout for a knit legging for the longest time. It feels like a couple years ago, I got this pair of knit leggings from H&M, and they were so well loved in my wardrobe. I wore them a ton in winter, just like with an oversized tunic sweater, things like that. And so it's been so hard to find a replacement for those because they're so well loved that I wanted to get another, pair or two. And I found this pair at H&M, and I was so excited to find a pair. It's not like the exact same because mine are more ribbed, but I love these as an option. So these are going to be great with like oversized sweatshirts or oversized sweaters, things like that. It's just a nice alternative to jeans, just something really cozy, really comfy. So this is like the ultimate cozy. I also grabbed them in gray just because I know how much I wear my knit leggings like this. So I love them so much, so pretty. I added some scrunch socks with my Uggs, and then this sweatshirt, which I will have an overlay without all these layers on, but the sweatshirt is so good, you guys. I am really impressed with the quality. It is such a vibe too, but it's so soft. It's one of the softest sweatshirts I've ever felt. And then I paired it with this vest, the super puff vest. It is so warm and cozy. It will keep your body just toasty warm. And it's just so pretty in this chocolate brown. And then the final layer is this scarf. I love the plaid. This is so cozy. You could really like unwrap this and like really bundle up around your neck if it's really chilly. So I really love this outfit. And then I added my burgundy bag just to complement the burgundy in the sweatshirt. And then this fleece zip up I also wanted to share because it also looks so cute with this sweatshirt with the burgundy, and then just some denim and Ugg minis. I love this jacket. It is so cute and so on trend, but also very classic, and has the side zipper detail. The top portion of the interior is that fleece lining. And then there's just like a little panel here like with mesh, and it's so pretty. It's such a good fit. I did size up one so I could wear it with chunkier pieces underneath like a sweatshirt or something. So I got the small in this one. I'd say though sizing up would work well. Unless you want to wear thinner layers underneath, then true to size would be perfect. Okay, this teddy bear graphic sweater is so good. Such a nice quality material. This comes in a couple other graphic prints like ballet slippers and a few others. This is very reminiscent of like the Ralph Lauren Polo Bear sweaters that are so popular that are usually run around like $300 and some $400. So this is a nice alternative, but it's still amazing quality. It's a longer and oversized length. So I did size up to the small because I didn't realize how oversized it was, but actually I kind of like the size up on me. So proportion wise, if you like the length and how it's fitting, then you could size up one, but you could get away with your regular size as well. And then I just paired it with my burgundy bag because the bear is wearing a little burgundy sweater. It's so cute. So I tied it in this way. And then I just wanted to show you guys really quick without the jeans, and I swapped it for this pleated skirt. Also Aritzia, I've had this for a couple months now. I love this one, and it comes in solid colors as well. I have the black one, but I think this is so cute layered like this. It's giving very preppy vibes, and I just paired it with my tall boots and burgundy bag. But what do we like better, the jeans or the skirt? Moving on to J.Crew Factory, this wrap sweater is so pretty. This would look so cute with some jeans for just a cozy, wintry, dreamy look. I love that it has the tie detail here. It's a full wrap, so you can customize the fit. And it's a really soft fabric. I'd say if it's true to size. And then I have it paired, okay, how fun is this? Tiered skirt. It's like a crinkle fabric, and it's so fun for the holiday season. Something different than sequins. If you're looking for a non-sequin option, I think this is a gorgeous option, especially paired with this dreamy sweater. It just gives off the dreamiest winter vibe. And this one also fits true to size, and I believe this skirt came in another color. And then I just paired it with some pointy toe heels and then my charm necklace again, but I think this is such a gorgeous winter outfit. Next is this really pretty sweater and skirt combo. I'm definitely getting Thanksgiving, very late into fall vibes, and I love this combo together. So let's start off with this sweater. It's in part of their extra soft line, and it definitely is very soft and has a slight soft ribbed texture to it. And I'd say if it's true to size, it comes in a bunch of other color options, which is such a good basic. And I love this soft taupey brown color. It's just a really nice neutral. And then I paired it with this skirt, which went really nicely together, both from J.Crew Factory. And I love this plaid. It's so pretty, very fall-esque. And then I paired it with these tall boots again. They're a chocolate brown. And I think it just like blended the whole look perfectly together. And then I added my little Van Cleef Look for Less necklace with it. It's gold filled, so it's like amazing quality, and I am totally obsessed with this necklace. And I love this whole outfit, how it came together, and it's all running, I'd say, very true to size. And then I wanted to show this really gorgeous coat. It topped so nicely over this outfit, but again, it's just such a good elevated coat to have in your wardrobe. I love the brushed gold button detail on it. Comes in a bunch of other colors, but I just feel like this is such a classic option. If you are in between, I would size up in this one. I'm wearing the size 2, and I do have this sweater underneath it. I feel like this is the bulkiest layer I would wear under something like this, and I think it fits perfectly fine. But if you're in between sizes, it's definitely size up, but it's such a good classic option. It'll never go out of style, and I love this chocolate brown color, especially with this outfit. Loving this dressy casual outfit idea. I love this sweater because you could wear it to work with some trousers if you wanted to. Just keep it a little bit more professional. It's a nice high neck sweater with a little ruffle detail, and I think it's so dainty and pretty. It runs true to size and comes in a bunch of colors. I love this soft neutral though. I pair it with these jeans from J.Crew Factory. These are such a good silhouette. J.Crew Factory has some pretty good jeans, and I have really been enjoying my styles from them, and this is one of my other top favorite picks. I love that they slightly kick out at the bottom. They have lots of stretch to them, I would say, and I would go true to size in J.Crew Factory denim or size down if you're in between. And with this light neutral sweater, I went for my burgundy tones. I thought the burgundy just added a nice pop to the outfit. And then my burgundy pointy toe flats, which have been a staple. They're definitely a splurge, but have been a staple for me for my fall, and even going into winter. It would be so cute with so many outfits. And then outerwear wise, I wanted to share this other coat option from J.Crew Factory. Not quite as dressy as the other one I shared, but this one is a staple. They come out with these every single year. They're like their city coats. J.Crew itself has them, and it's a little bit of a thicker material, but if you're looking for a look for less, but still the J.Crew branding, this is a nice option. It's a little bit lighter weight than the J.Crew version. This is just the factory. And then I think it's a beautiful silhouette. It will dress up any look, but also could go very casual like I have on with jeans here. So it kind of could go either way. Comes in a bunch of colors. I love this like more like mushroom color. I would say these fit, again, pretty true to size. If you have a broader shoulder, I would size up one because they tend to, because I just have like this thin sweater on underneath and it fits fine. But if I want to wear like a really chunky knit, it might be a little tight in the shoulders. So just consider what you like to layer with. Generally speaking though, I would say if you want to be on the safer side, maybe size up one. This is the size 2. And I'm normally like an extra small as my sizing for outerwear. So I love this though so much. If you are though very like petite frame and you're like kind of like an extra small, then maybe the 0 or 00 would work better. But I love it so much, and I think it just pulls together a lot of looks. Knit cardigan. It's kind of like a lady jacket. I love this color combo in it. It's like a cream and brown tone, and it's so pretty. It looks very luxe. And I paired it with this cami, which is also J.Crew Factory, and it's just a nice soft v-neck essential cami that will go really well as a staple piece with so many different layers. And then I have on the same J.Crew Factory jeans with this look, and I went for brown tones, of course, with this cardigan, and I think it's so pretty. The cardigan runs true to size, and then I paired it with my Amazon Chanel Look for Less flats, and then my Amazon handbag. But I absolutely love this cardigan and cami. They're both such good capsule wardrobe pieces. How pretty is this tee from J.Crew Factory? It's pearl and rhinestone embellished. So you literally don't even need a necklace with this. This is your jewelry. It would be so nice as a dressy casual option, especially going into the holiday season. This is a really nice option. It's just so dainty and pretty, or even just casual for every day, but just a little touch of glam. I think it's gorgeous. It runs true to size, really nice, like thicker material. And then I just have it on again with the J.Crew Factory jeans. Okay, next, I really love this tank top. It is like one of my top favorites actually out of this whole haul. It's really soft and it has this cinch detail in the center with this bow, and it's just really darling and dainty, and it's just so comfy. It could be casual, could be a little bit dressier. I have it paired with this little cardigan from H&M, and I love the burgundy, of course. It's just the it color of the season, which I am so happy about because I've always loved this color, and it just looks so pretty combined together. And then I have it on with the J.Crew Factory jeans, and then these Dior Look for Less flats. They're a sling back and they are so comfy, and they look like the Dior ones that are like over $1,000, but these are under $100.